Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is languages of India. A very interesting topic, languages of India. Language, it is a medium to communicate. We all use different hand gestures, expressions for communication. So across world, a variety of languages are used in different regions. But in India, there are 122 major languages and over 1,500 minor languages spoken throughout India. The Indian Constitution recognizes 22 them as official language. That is, from among this 122 major language, 22 them are declared as the official language, and Hindi and English, they are the major official languages for government work. So those who are working in the government services, they have to know Hindi and English because they are the major official language in India. It is said that Hindi has nearly 500 million speakers all over the world. So 500 million people speaks Hindi all over the world, and it is the third most spoken language worldwide. So Hindi is the third most spoken language worldwide. So in the Supreme and Court and High Court, as directed by the Constitution of India, English is the official language. So English, it is the official language for the Supreme Court and High Court as directed by the Indian Constitution of India. Now see in the exercise part, there are some of the languages. So we have to find out the missing letters and identify the language based on the clues. Now see the first one. This is considered to be the mother of all Dravidian languages. So this language, it is considered to be the mother of all Dravidian language. So it is a language that is Tamil. Tamil, it is a Dravidian language and it is spoken in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry states of India, and it is also spoken in parts of Sri Lanka. So this language, it is called as a Dravidian language. So it is said that the Tamil language it is a part of the Dravidian language family, which includes Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and Malayalam. The script of this Tamil language, it is very old and it has 12 consonants and 18 vowels, and it is also spoken in places like the United States, Germany, Indonesia, France, Africa and Thailand. So first one, you see, this is considered to be the mother of all Dravidian language. You can write Tamil, Tamil. Now see the second one. This is the official language of Rajasthan. So in Rajasthan, there are 4 main Rajasthani languages groups are there. So that is Marwari from in western Rajasthan, Jaipuri or Dhundari in the east and southeast, Malvi in the southeast, and in the northeast Mewati, with shades of into Braj Bhasa, that is a Hindi dialect. So this many languages are spoken in Rajasthan. So the official language of Rajasthan, it is Hindi. So primarily people speak Hindi in Rajasthan. So it is the official language of Rajasthan. So you can write second one. This is the official language of Rajasthan, that is Hindi. Now see the third one. This is the language most widely used in South India. So in South India there are many languages, but this is the language which is most widely used in South India. So third one, it is the Telugu language. So Telugu, it is an Indian language spoken in southern part of India, and it is the official language of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So it is the official language of state of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Telugu belongs to the south central branch of the Dravidian language family, and it is spoken as a first language by 74 million people, and as a first language and by 5 million people as a second language in India. So 74 million people as a first language and by 5 million people as a second language, they speak Telugu in India. So you can write, this is a language most widely used in South India. Third one, Telugu. Now see the fourth one. This is the official language of Nagaland. So one of the interesting aspects of Naga language, it is the use of Sanskrit words. And the tribal population of Nagaland speak Nagamese, which is a mixture of the basic Naga language and Assamese, and it is popular for its simplicity. And there are no written scripts for the Nagamese language. There is no written script for the written Nagamese language. So English, it is the official language of the state and it is quite popular among the educated mass of Nagaland. So the official language of Nagaland, it is the English, and even Hindi is also spoken in Nagaland. So you can write fourth one, this is the official language of Nagaland, that is English, English. Now see the fifth one, this is the official language of Jammu and Kashmir. So Kashmir or Koshur, it is a language from the subgroup, Dardic subgroup of Indo-Aryan languages, and it is spoken around 7 million Kashmiris and the Indian Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. So the people in Kashmir speak Dogri, Hindi, English and Urdu, and the official language of Jammu and Kashmir, it is Urdu. So Urdu, it is also known as Lashkari or a Lashkari language. It is an Indo-Aryan language and it is the national language of Pakistan. So you can write fifth one, this is the official language of Jammu and Kashmir, that is Urdu. URDU. Now see the sixth one, it is a European language which is still one of the official languages of Puducherry, that is India. So this language, it is one of the official language of Puducherry, that is French, French. The official language of Indian Union Territory of Puducherry, they are Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and English, and French, it was also the official language of the Puducherry. Now French is also the official language of Puducherry. And now recently there are many French people who have settled in Puducherry, and the official language, one of the official language which is from outside India, that is French. So you can write sixth one, French, French. Now see the seventh one, this is the official language of Lakshadweep. So Lakshadweep, it is a group of islands, that is, it is surrounded with the Lakshadweep Sea. It is of the southwestern coast of India. So Lakshadweep, it is the smallest union territory of India and the most common spoken language in Lakshadweep, it is Malayalam. Among the languages of Lakshadweep, Mahal is also another important language which is spoken in Lakshadweep, also in Maldives. So the official language of Lakshadweep, it is Malayalam. So beside this language, people also speak Hindi, Bengali, Oriya, Tamil, Urdu, English. It is also prevalent in this island. So the official language of Lakshadweep, it is Malayalam. So you can write seventh one, Malayalam. Now see the eighth one, it is the official language of Himalayan country, which is also one of the official languages of India. So we have to see the official language of Himalayan country. So the Himalayas, they are the world's tallest mountains that are meeting point for Earth's two most populous nations there, India and China. So other Himalayan borders, they are connecting are Nepal and Bhutan. So the official languages of Himalayas include Hindi, Bhutan, China, Nepali, English and Urdu. So the official language of Himalayan country, see in the blank, they have given options with N and I, that is Nepali. So Nepali is also one of the official language of Himalayan country and it is also one of the official language of India. So Nepali, it is also one of the official languages of India. Now you see the next part. Part place the language in the state where it is most spoken. So here map of India is given and they have given the as the option language, name of the language, and in the box we have to write the which language from which state. Okay, now see the first one, it is given Malayalam. So Malayalam, it is the official language of Kerala and it is spoken in Kerala. So you can write, see down bottom it is written Kerala, so you can write there one. Okay, now see second one, that is language Kannada. So Kannada language, it is spoken in Karnataka state. So you can see Kerala above, Karnataka it is given shown. So you can write in Karnataka in that box, second one, that is in Karnataka people speak Kannada language. Now see the third one. So the third one, it is Odia language. So you can see in the right down, that is the state of Odisha people speak Odia language. So you can write in the Odisha box 3, that is Odia. Now see the fourth one, that is in the right, you can see in the corner, that is Mizo. Fourth language is Mizo. So the state of Mizoram people speak the language Mizo. So you can write in the Mizoram box 4. Now see the fifth one. So fifth one, it is Telugu language. So it is spoken in Andhra Pradesh state. So you can see near to the Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. So in the box 4, in the box Andhra Pradesh, you can write number 5, that is Telugu. Now see the sixth one language, that is Gujarati language. You can see in the map in the corner, left corner, that is Gujarati is spoken in the state of Gujarat. So you can write in the Gujarat, in that box you can write number 6. So see the seventh language, that is Konkani. It is spoken in state of Goa. So you can see above the Karnataka, Goa. In that Goa you can write 7. So it is a language in Goa. So now see the eighth one, that is Marathi. So that is a official language that is spoken in Maharashtra state. So you can write in the Maharashtra's box, you can write 8. So I think so you have understood languages of India, some languages of India. So for your exams, portion will be from 1 to 6, that is first one wonderful waterfalls, second mountain ranges around the world, third useful plants, fourth bigger biggest, fifth religions of India, and sixth languages of India. So 6 lessons will be there. So you have to study all the fill in the blanks from mountain ranges around the world, also match the pairs. So whatever fill in the blanks, match the pairs is there, as well as name the useful plant products, name of the plant products. So all these things you have to learn. So 6 chapters will be there for the exam. Okay children, that's it for today. Thank you.